Welcome back. Let me say that I have a Facebook profile. I have a name called Dilip and I have an age of 35 and I have a relationship status as single. Now I just wanted to update this relationship status. Like what I can do. I can just, you know, simply copy this and I can put here and I can use the same variable with married, right? So, what do you think if I give a print function and put a variable name relationship status here? So, obviously, it is updated as married. So, it is obvious that I'll get an output as married. Let me write here, um, which is called as input method. We generally give like this. And let me ask you a question like, we just wanted to know which what by specifying the year we need to get the output as an age. All right, so for that what I will try to do is I'll just try to give a variable assigned as birth year, which is equal to input, and I just want I just want that me to ask a question like what year you have born, right? And I also have another set of code. I will just give an age as a variable and then I use the current year is 2021 and then I'll just give birth year, the same thing, the same variable what is there here, so that it should give my age, right? Now I can use a print format method or f string I can use saying that your age is, and I just wanted to put here the variable age inside the flower brackets and I just put the quotation which is really important, right? Now what do you think I will get as an output? Let me just enter here. So it's just running here. It's in process. So now I have got this thing here 1987. I enter and then you get an error here. You can see here unsupported operand type S for minus int and string. That means you need to understand here whatever that input method we are getting. Let me just check the type of the birth year actually. So type of birth year is going to be a string. So we cannot put the integer and string operations for mathematical operation, right? So there should be an integer for birth year. So birth here it is taking as by default as a string. To convert that we can use the int function and we can put it in the close brackets, and when we execute this, now if I wanted to enter 2000 which year I have born, 1987, then you get here what year you have born. I have born in 1987 and it gives your age is 34, right? It need not to be an integer, it can also take a float. Let me enter here float. When I enter again same thing 1987, it just gives a float number here. So this we need to take care. uh, while giving an input. And the other thing we can also see that, like, if I put bool here, like, what do you think it will be? Bool of birth here. Let me just say same thing again, 1987. So now this time it is giving your age is 2020. That means boolean of birth year is taking as a true. That means which is 1. 2021 minus 1, which will give 2020. So these type of type conversions are quite important, and really a very good exercise needs to be done here, like really a lot of practically you need to practice every time, so that you'll be more familiar with such things. So one has to practice to get familiar with all such type of problems. Well, that's it in this video. We'll see you in the next. Thank you. Bye.